Tamako, Sanbonano, what I would like to know, and please excuse me for speaking fluent. I'm just trying to accommodate everybody. All right. So what I would like to address, or what I would like to bring to the table, especially for the elderly and the more matured crowd in the space, is for you guys who are watching the current generation, the youth. How do you guys feel about what you're seeing in front of you? We're gonna get to other questions, but right now, Anjay, I just wanna approach this whole thing because I look at the world and I see so much that's happening. I see the youth, I see my peers, I see a lot of things that are happening, and I see how we're receiving the world, we're receiving information, and how we are not doing much in terms of using it to the best of our abilities. So, as you, the people who came before us, and everything you've done to put us where we are, what are your opinions, regarding what you guys are seeing right now? That's what I would like to know.
Hayi khuluma ikhona imali.
I-question yakho bhuti wami, yeah, it's a very important question. In order for me to answer that, I think I need to also look at ukuthi thina sikuphi manje. Yes, because where we are, it is going to definitely determine ukuthi nina nizoba kuphi or niya kuphi. You understand? So if thina sizonifundisa kahle, you guys are going to turn out good. Njoba sekune Black History Month kanje ukuthi sazi ukuthi sibuya, because of some of us thina mhlawumbe maybe that's why sile sabhayiza the way sibhayize ngakhona, because we never knew where we come from, especially thina. Mina siphila emhlabeni sonke, we all live in the earth, but we don't live in the same world. Ish. So mina, I'm gonna speak about the world where I come from. Where I come from, ngibizoyibeka ngetala sekasi, ayibamba ayiloma. It's a man for himself. Dog eat dog, straight. So you need to be strong and be grateful ukuthi there's someone in a car that is able to show you the way. Because tina people that were supposed to show us the way, nabo kade balimaziwe la babuya khona. So kade basadila with the pain, and then they forgot to focus it. And then as soon as they did that, we were stolen by abantu wrong, and then they taught us isn't as wrong. So as long as sinfundisa kahle nizoba kahle. But so far we are proud of you guys. In and leader, especially when it comes to technology. Umuntu omusha, you guys are doing great. There is another man that I'm gonna mention his name, Maxwell Chikumbutso. Lo muntu reincarnation ya million years ago. That man, he makes it technology that science cannot define or explain. He just makes a TV, you bring a TV in Jalo, and then it makes a TV, it's from Zimbabwe.
Oh man, siyazi lo ntwana. But he's not getting the publicity.
But he's not,
that he
why?
should get.
Because the system.
Yeah. He's not getting the
So
publicity he should get.
so kunentwana is dangerous. Ezifihlekile.
La Limpopo khona umuntu uzenzele helicopter.
But as we were saying, that for us to be great, there's something we must lose. And there are great youths and there are youths that are in the dark right now.
Yeah.
You understand? And that question is to that, ukuthi kuloku sikubonako inhliziyo zethu zishaje. And ngiyabuza mafela.
Oyingene with us.
Enye into you cannot blame youth yamanje. now whatever leyenzakalayo ngispana ngi-youth today and mina angibaplaying ama-gents or mhlambe amantombazana kuyo yonke lento abayenzayo la besithi babhede why today njengoba umfethu asho ukuthi kune-technology kunama-YouTube angithi within that YouTube kunabantu enibalalelayo kunabantu enibathathayo enibayenza ama-role model angithi ninama-role model apha i-youth yanu mina ngikhule mfethu ngingena-role model i-role model yami bekumalume wami vabe kayenza izinto eziphuma endleleni angifrostani nami ngamlandela so what is happening today is mina ngifuna ukuniblame ne but ngikhohlwa ukuthi mina le mfundiso le niyithola kimi. This is what is happening today. Izinto eziblind nina ma-gents anizazi anizibona but mina I'm given a platform ukuthi let me share my story and then I share my story but on top of my story ngiyabooster with everything that I went through. This is something that wena uyintwana eyafanda uzoyilandela mfethu because of ibona into egrand angithi ngade way ngipresent story sami ngakhona to you it will be like yeah esan le mangafana nale la ngibuya khona today sinenkinga yama-gents bathi amaphansu ama-gents I don't think kukhona futhi ona 24 or 25 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 kanjani angifrostani ama-gents aphatha amaphaa ama-gents enhle kuma bangahlangana nawo bakulimaza angifrostani bayibonephi lali mina ngiyibonile i-bell to bell whereby ama-uncle i-grootman bebebopha ngebhandi nale bebopha ngebhandi bashaya angifrostani wena uyibonanga riding part today uyayithuna why kunabantu engeke ngibamenshine ngamagama whereby they are within us laba bayenza lento lokuthi baya-booster ngama-crime wabo or ngawe-ever laba buya khona and then abanye they are talking about this thing abayenza but there for ukumisleader mina as angifrostani and mina mfethu ngizogcizelela la amagama wami ekutheni kunzima ukuthi mfethu ublame umntana or ukhuze umntana or ufuna ukubonisa umntana whereas wena uwe futhi enhle komoshela umntana so my chance mina into in your question be careful of who you make your role model. Why? Because umenze role model lo muntu awazi mfana semzuna umbona nje da wena da ngithola ukuthi umbona bangikhiphe la escreenini lo ngiya kunamatalasa matalasa awuyazi impilo yabo bazothola abantu abangazi personal will be surprised ukuthi uye lo muntu anawakhona lo uyangithola ukuthi ngiyangithola ama-chance ukuthi ngiyafana so don't listen to everyone. Okay, ngathi listen, but submit for yourself. Fana noma ngama umfundisi asipreachera or whatever le mina ngikhuluma manje. Take whatever ubona ukuthi izokusebenza. If ever uyabona ukuthi ngeke ikusebenzele ungayithatha. Or enye shayigila, angazi if ever nalazi igila beka.
Yeah.
Uzosebenzisa somewhere.
Exactly.
Ufake esikhaftini nifake efrijini.
Sovala da.
Tembe itingene kancane nami ngifakazela abafowethu. How do we see you guys right now? You want the hard truth or the soft truth? The hard truth is that when we look at you, we see our own failures. When we look at you on drugs, when we look at you drunk of alcohol, when we look at you not coming home at night, when we look at you giving birth to children that you are not responsible for, we see our own failures. I want to walk with Tony Montana a little bit. I cannot, I dare not, I have no right to say you are wrong for committing the same crime that I committed. Or I'm committing you hear what I'm saying? Let's take it personal. Because you asked the question. As your father, did I not hold you accountable for your mistakes? And when I held you accountable for your mistakes, did I not compare you to myself? If I was stuck in the mud, I cannot criticize you, my son, for walking into the mud when I'm already stuck. Be careful who you make your role model. I am your father. The moment I go wrong, don't be afraid to say, but Dada, you did not teach me this. You know that. You have that relationship. You can ask me anything. But never allow me to deceive you. Never allow me to tell you something that I do not live. The problem is not with you guys. The problem is with us. This is why how I'm answering your question. Do not judge yourselves as young people for the mistakes you commit. Please judge us for the example that we are setting. I'm going to stop there.
Before another thing engikhumbula mangibele ngiso. Bachance. If ever like you want to go somewhere in pain. Ungajudge umuntu ukuthi eyithathile lo muntu. Gamba. Understand? Mawufuna ukuba clever or if ever ufuna ukuhlakanipha emhlabeni. Ungampeki lo muntu ukuthi lo muntu lo bathi ubani enhle ngifuna ukwenza i-example ngamagama wakhe but
ningathi lo muntu aba ayaleyo.
Khona lamagama la abubani ngangifrosta. Thathi example mfana kule uncle lo libona libhayisiseka lapha ekhaya. Lo ngaziwa uzokisa Samuel. Lo ocavuwayo lo da uzoyenza right yeng afune ne in return go.
Sometimes angayenza vele nje akusaka.
Yeah, ngithile ngifuna ukuthi ngiyeda because ngifuna ukuya la enkulumeni yami ukuthi ungayenzi noma ubani role model yakho because bafethu usathana umini.
Mkhanya uzotolika la. Ukukhulunywa into eziserious.
Usathana bafethu khona ume ngenyawo. Ngithola. Thanda ukuyicula le ngoma enhle njalo enhle mangigana ngamathoko. Thanda ukuyicula just to remind you ukuthi usathana ufuna usathani petupetize ukawula bakhola ngeke ngalula usathani mfana semzini akathagethi abantu
abalahlekile.
Yeah. Ngangifrosta ufuna wena uyitshela ukuthi wena uzimisele ngempilo.
Just to summarize it, that the devil does not go after those who are on the right path. So watch
The
your
devil
path.
does not go after those who are on the wrong path.
On the wrong path.
On the wrong path.
On the
Yeah,
wrong
what?
path.
mission is to
Exactly.
disturb
You are already
those who are
there
on the
where,
right path.
where he wants to send people.
Yeah, his mission is to steal, to kill and to destroy.
And usathani bafethu akezi.
Like if already wasogola, nothing is going right in your life.
Yes.
The devil is nothing to do with you. If something is
Yo.
going right in your life.
Yes.
Exactly.
Ngiyakhiva emfethu ibengepila so kahle
Everything is going right.
yeah kahle bafethu amkhomba ngiyasamuye ngenkulumo yakho
Exactly.
usathani bafethu akezi in a form of devil usebenzisa mina uthola bathi mina mfethu ubheke eduze kwami uyintwana encane bayitshela ukuthi enteki izinto ezi-grand now ukufundisa ubusathane or mhlawumbe ngenza ubusathane phezu kwakho in return of ukhumbula ukuthi wena umbeke yini. That's why ngithi thina mina ngikeleze enye into mfethu mangikhulu ukuthi abantu bamagama bengimeyi ngikhuluma the very same thing. Abantu abanechelele bazokubhayizisa mfana sithi mina ngithi anginandaba nawe nechelete yakho na whatever na because ithi ngitshele mfana akekho umuntu ozophetha ichelete emhlabeni, akekho umuntu ozovaphetha ichelete. Remember so ngibabhekile nalabantu laba enibabeka la ukuthi uzoza usathana lebele umspanisi and he's gonna destroy your life.
Oi, tempe.
Hi, Moshi.
Oh.
Mina ngithi don't have a role model.
Yes.
Because your purpose, your calling, it's different kuneyami noma ngokuzala. Ukhumbule ukuthi ngiyakuzala kodwa mina my purpose la emhlabeni, it was just a bridge to take you from the spiritual and bring you into the physical world. That's it. Find you. Find ukuthi wena ungubani and why are you here? What is your purpose on earth? Because what you see mina eniyenza, it's a reflection of the purpose yami la ngiyakhona. That is why something what life began at 40 for her. So for a number of years, she lived on earth as umfazi umuntu and however at 40 life now began wathola her own identity. You don't have to go through a trial and error, and we go through trials and errors because we mimic abantu. You understand? Of knowledge. What I see in my music video, that ain't life.
It's an act.
It's an act. And what I see in youth and I'm trying to doing, you are living out music videos in real life.
Yeah.
You know, how you dress, how you speak, how you go like, yeah, man. Those people are about by an actor. It's entertainment.
Yazi guiding njengoba Stephen siphendula kanje bafethu. Bengifisa ukunishare le story sa. Support whatever le engibringa ngayo. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi ngikhula kanje ngithathe yankeli yami ngibeke njengo role model yami. Ankeli yami mfethu ayikho into right engingayiboni thina yankeli la. But at that time yonke into be right. Nathi into khona mfethu ngithola yebo bengimlandela ngakhona ngimenze role model yami. Bengigqoka nempahla zakhe. Makangekho mfana ngishaya cricket enjoni yakhe. Ngishayila ile yakhe. Ngifrustana. Why? Ngifuna ukufita la ukuthi sakumina ngintwana kabani ba. Ngifrustana. Ngiyenze yonke into mfethu beyenza yankeli la. Until I think at the age of 20 was sentenced to 15 years. Mina at the age of 18 I was sentenced to 25 years. I'm told ukuthi ngimlandela ayonke into mfana. Ngamlandela to the extent ukuthi ngithema sengiplomile etanya. Sengibele mina ngilongizibonela into right ne wrong. Ha ngabona ukuthi mfana yazi. Ngathi ngilandela imvini. Ngifrosta angithi manje ngifrosta. And sure mfana even today angikhuluma umuntu kabi but ngikhuluma even today mfana into engiyibona la nalento engiyibona msuka are two different things. And angisho ukuthi mina ngislame because of mhlambe ngihambile ngesikhafulen nayo but I think ngazi into wrong into right. As much as ngifuna ukuthi nazi into wrong into right ukuthi omunye umuntu bakazokala ufuna ukudestroy ntwana yami so yazi ukuthi alo uze ngani ithi ngitshela ukuthi mina ngifundile bafethu ngifunde enye into abathi body language whereby ngubona usaseda ukuthi wena ufuna ukungena ungakafiki sengiyazi ukuthi wena sizoyifunda ngelinye ilanga body language but akube into ukuthi umuntu angeza sokudebeka or akenze into wena ngeke uyenze ngeenqubo zakho wena
Sanibonani. Igama lami uMondle. Ngawala ubaba. Sothola uMadevu. uNgwane. uMadeli Isidumbu Edlumlenze. uJojo. Thina basemlindeni. Ngizalwa uMaZulu. Ekhaya kwaZulu. Yeah.
Zulu nawumfakile.
Kahle kahle ngumbango nje mina ngiyimi. Kodwa ke
Hayi
angizange.
akusumshana
Umshana.
ukanina.
Eh.
No kanina nina. Angikunaye umama uZulu. Nawe umama uZulu. No kanina.
Oh hayi. Kanina sibingelele. Le mibuzo engiqeda ukukhuluma ngayo nje over the past 10 minutes. I-circulator around lento engifisa ukuyikhuluma, which is based on cela ukwenza analogy ye-computer, hardware and the software. I-computer ma uyi-create kuba ne-hardware, and the hardware is the physical part of the computer. And then ma uyisebenzisa i-computer isebenza nge-program, which is i-software. For whatever le nto i-computer ezoyenza, it has already been programmed kwi-software. Similarly, umuntu, when they are born, the abstract is their hardware, the physical part, the hardware. What you then grow to understand, we every day, then becomes ama-habits, which in a computer that is software programming. So basically, ama-habits are a development of what you've been programmed to do. So ukhula kanje with that similarity ye-computer as umuntu. Kunalento ebizwa ngokuthi ama-manufacturer specifications, what the creator programmed you to do as a computer or as a person. And mawumuntu, the program we start from what is being taught and done ekhaya. Kuba ne-glitch kwi-program if what is being taught and what is being done doesn't match.
I-software ne-hardware mazingamechi.
Kuba i-glitch.
Iyakhahlela i-computer.
So ningiphendulile, but it seems as if I still have to ask this question so that nizoba conscious while answering it. Do you then realize the dangers of the things you do while teaching something else, Git? Because ngisanokuhlala nani makhoti manami. Siplome nani ndayikhona ningivumele ngiphuze nani ngibheme nani. In that circulation yokuhlala kwami nani, nikhuluma ngeintsayizeni ezishayile. Body count. Mase ngiplomile nontanga wami. Ungitshela ukuthi ngiziphathe kahle. Yet mawuhleli nabangani bakho, it's not what you do. The programming, what you say
sokujaja ngayo. Angithola ukhumbule kusemhlabeni akekho umuntu operfect. Nami nginamaphutha wami. Ngibe ngimdala ngije. Ngifrosta. Wena mawuzothi angithi la into ngiringa ngayo manje.
Khona
no.
manje
Yeah.
angithi ngishilo mangiqala lento ukuthi ningiphendulile nayisekonda nathini but ngicela ukuyibuza futhi so that nizoyiphendula
Mina yazi
khona.
ngithini njaya.
Yes.
Uyakhona ukuthi ngikuzale mina but mina I'm an alcoholic.
Yeah.
Akusho ukuthi ngeke ngikukhulise. Akusho ukuthi ngeke ngikubonise. Angazi if ever siyithola because of angifuni ukuthi thiwe emfethu wena sekumele manje mfethu ufake i-hor club angeke mfana ngiphila nge-hor club. I'm sorry on that one.
Yeah, I need to have a bird's eye view.
To add on what he's saying, there's a saying that a wise man learns from another man's mistakes. You asked a valid question. Yoguti, are we conscious of our wrongdoings? We are. And your inability to learn, right, with what I'm saying. When I'm teaching you, I made these mistakes. This is how I tried to heal my fatherhood. Yeah, but I did this, and I ended up having 2 kids by 2 men, and I'm teaching you, do not go through that pain. Your inability to learn means you are not wise.
He's listening. I'll listen for him as well.
So we need, youth needs to understand this. You can't parent a parent.
Yeah.
When you stand there and say to me, but mama, you drink, you say, mama's not drink. You are now trying to parent me. And in this Rushua, indlela ibuzwa kubadala, ayiboniwe kubadala, iyabuzwa.
Ibuzwa kwaba
Phambili.
Phambili.
and then futhi kunenye saying ethi there is time for everything under la emhlabeni. Time to be born and a time to die. As much as there's a time for ukuthi ube umntwana ufunde, then there's a time ukuthi ke manje grow up. Bengicela ukuthi sichazeni le situation le. There's nothing wrong ngotshwala, but there is something wrong with alcohol abuse. Those are different things. Ngisho no Yesu naye.
No.
They
What you
call
are
him
saying,
ehlathoni.
what you are saying, there's nothing wrong with eating food.
Yes.
There is something wrong with eating too much food.
food.
No, gluttony. Ngubonile manzini. Can everybody do this? Everybody here, sitting here. Do this. Hey, Banyana. Yenzani so. Sonke senzile. Usazwakala. Sonke senzile. Take this hand and put it at your wrist like this. This biologically, scientifically, realistically, this is how big your stomach is. That's the size of your stomach.
So every time we just
How big is your plate?
So every time we just stomach straight.
Obvious how chile gago.
How big is your plate?
But all our plates are bigger than this.
Exactly. Now you understand why you suffer from indigestion. Now you understand why you suffer from IBS. Huh? Irritable bowel syndrome. Now you understand why you suffer from constipation. Now you understand why you suffer from diarrhea. Now you understand why you suffer from misnaria. Diarrhea is when your stomach is running. Misnaria is when your stomach is not moving at all. It's beyond constipation. But you ate too much. Your stomach capacity cannot deal with that.
Joe, Mzito, Kerry, plate, Yarena, plate, a normal plate, if you can,
Wait till why?
for an
Because
example, how the Bradina Camara plate. Leka, Brayaka, awona mthwacha mlolu wale njalo kakuhlukana wena
Now Kanye big mind lapho.
naye kuri kubuze ipipile ndiyaka yamakakufela ntele sisheko mo ikinalepo
Siyoni. Kumele ngumanzini. Manzini ntakithi dangerous. Ngithi mina asingasidefendi kakhulu kulo mbuzo walo mfana.
Olumfana yeah.
Because lo mbuzo walo mfana userious.
Yeah.
Ubalulekile lo mbuzo asikwazi ukuthi singazidefenda ufuna sigcine ukuthi sikhumbule ukuthi khona ingane esejele ngenxa yabazali. Uyabo? Ukhali like sibalekele leyo nto like sisejele siboshiwe siyabhantinta ngenxa yabazali. Uyabona ngizobuyela kwistory sakambulazi yabo. Mangikhula benginama role model ekhaya uzwe kuthini lo film. They were biggest criminals in the hood, like talk of the town. We are on parties and and all those things. So all one wanted to be like those guys. And they are elders, remember. Community of a praise. You understand? And we are young. By the time we realize that these guys are not role models, we're so late. You see? So we don't want that with the next generation. We realize the so late. What's happening now is not right. Yeah, so we need to like never call Uti. Manje guys, mabuso nina what basibuza. We need to say, okay, so isolation ni kuphi. Yabo. Let's not try to like sit. Hey. Shunila. Because wonke manje uzana bekhonto umunye uyafika ufaka ebhom arrow, umunye ufaka ipetrol bomb, ufaka iparafini yabona ukuthi yabo. So lo mbuzo wale insizwa lena akusumbuzo nyana lo.
Ujulile kakhulu.
Yeah, umbuzo wonke umuntu omdala uthi iparent makafika endlini asibuze ukuthi am I raising monsters or good people like what are you doing? Like medicine now as an individual man. Because masilana sibaningi omunye ufuna ukwini topic. This is ukuthi akhulumela ukuthi abazali siyabazali umunye umfana vela athi hayi abanye sport ndabanye yaphuza. Yabona ukuthi yakumanje
Back and forth.
no isolution sithini ngalesimo because lesimo already sifucked up amajita yabhandinta la amajita yabhandinta yabo we've got ama issue situation now whereby our young ones attend a men's clinic, so meaningly their mind is on sex, having sex. We are speaking as our young ones, they are thinking about having sex. But there's no money, there's nothing.
There's no food in the house, but sex.
No land. Ushalagibo, he's thinking about having sex. And he wants to be strong. So so we need to be very careful ngalo mbuzo walensizwa. Ungapheleli la. Masihamba because ubheke la siyakhona kahle kahle. Ubuze la yena ne. Mara la siyakhona. Are we good parents? Before sizothi lo mfana akakhuluma kahle. No, lo mfana into ayikhulumayo ukuthi iyasinda. Ngisho insizwa phela. Insizwa iyazimela insizwa phela. Ngakuyigwajisa phela insizwa uthi lo ngazoma la ayami insizwa ufuna ukwazi ukuthi wena njengomuntu omdala awenza into right na. Yabo. So umbuzo kumele siyenze into right but kumele soba sure. Yabo, so that next time masibuya sithi hamba senze into right now ama results.
And I think anything ngazi ukuthi abafana bazobuza umbuzo so because babona umzali aphuza then maqhuphuza izinto
Ngifuna ukuyiphendula lento nami ngingene kancane. Umfana ukhulume ngesoftware nehardware. Isoftware wayichaza, he explained the software as a program that is created in order to fulfill a certain task. And then that program is installed in a hardware, right? In order to fulfill said task. Now, what happens when the software does not match the hardware? What happens when what you teach as a parent does not match what you do as a parent? Here's now how I'm going to try and answer it. My children know this. I sit them down and tell them, if ever I say, do or execute anything in your presence and you do not agree, understand, or sympathize with it, sit me down and question me right there and then. Is that not what I teach you? Now, Mamel.
Do as I say.
This is why.
Governing, it's do as I do.
Exactly. But now, this is why I'm saying to those that I'm raising, I give them full rights to say stop. This is not what you said to us. This is not what you taught us. The problem here is when the software designer does not want to accept when they are told that your design is faulty. Us as parents, we need to be able to accept when our children are telling us that we are doing wrong now. We need to get rid of this statement, "Ndimdala mna, ungumntwana wena." We need to kill that in our society. We need to kill that response. I am an adult, you are a child. You have no right to ask me. It can't work like that.
Mina ngifuna ukudiffa kancane kule nto enishoyo yabo. Mina ngithi utshwala bukhokhre. Ngibuza ukuthi why. Ngithi utshwala bukhokhre. Yabona no. Yabona no sinjani. For example, mina nomzolo yabona sinjani. Marayithi sibeke ibhodlela. And then usibheke futhi after
45 minutes.
Yeah. For example, into enzakala abosister bafike bathulile ngabona but no bheka sebavula imakhubela nasha. Ukubonisa something.
But now what he's saying is the alcohol. Listen, there is alcohol, there is food, there is ganja, there is drugs, there is drink, anything that you intake into your body. What it does, this is what he's coming to. If you have disorder within you, if you eat a plate of food, there's a saying, "Sengshuri ngilaba fight."
Oh, sensurile labakulwa.
Yeah, sengshurile ngilaba kulwa. I ate a plate of food, now I'm satisfied, I want to fight. It's because your nature is a fighting nature. You eat a sweet, lousy sweet. You start arguing with people because you took energy and now your inner personality is coming out. You take alcohol. Alcohol is going to show us who you truly are. The word drunk, we understand drunk as right? No, that's inebriated. It's not drunk. That's inebriated. You are chemically imbalanced. The alcohol in your blood is higher than your own blood personality. You are inebriated. That's why you can't even balance when you walk. Drunk means you are expressing your true nature.
Drunk with passion.
That's what drunk with passion, drunk with power, drunk with excitement, drunk with happiness, drunk with anger. Drunk means you are expressing your true nature. That's why when people start taking alcohol, their true natures come out. When people eat food, their true natures come out. When people eat a sweet, their true natures come out. When people listen to music, have you ever seen a church girl? A church girl. At church, nobody knows that this girl goes to the club at night. But at church, this is the church girl now. Modimo orifile. Into zakuphi lezi? She can't help it. She can't help it. The music is moving her. Now ukhumbule patini. She can't help it. It's in her nature. Now, Upumondli, to answer the question, what is the nature of the human that you are dealing with? One, how do you find out the nature of the person you are dealing with? The mask that he wears expresses, exposes, manifests that which he is hiding. Did you hear that? Did you understand that? The mask that you put on hides, expresses that which you are hiding.
You are going to project out.
You are going to project that which you are through the mask that you are wearing. If you are a drunkard, you are going to walk around criticizing people for being drunk. If you are disorderly, you are going to have problems with people who are disorderly. Bothata ba hao le nna ke bothata bo na le bona bona na ile izongilumisa ngumnguni mina ndiyathetha mna ndumXhosa ingxaki onayo nam ingxaki yakho onayo nawe uyibone kuwe le ngxaki uyibone njani kum ubone njani ukuba utywala buyandincila mna andithi ubone wena unxilile. Now you are jealous of my drunken state. Listen, you can never hate a stranger. True or false? Omazi, umzondelani. You don't know this person. Why do you hate this person? Hatred is a projection. You hate this person because this person succeeded where you failed. Succeeded where you failed. You hate this person because this person is true to themselves when you are still trying to pretend to be something that you are not. Here is one question. When was the last time you were yourself? Ugcine nini ukuba uwe? Maybe unaboma 6 years, unaboma 18 years. When now, if you sit down, when was the last time you were truly yourself?
I stopped being myself.
That's it. When you started accepting external influences. Nkolo. Uba nang bekakhuluma ngenkolo. You started believing things that are not inside you, and then you lost yourself. So, how do we raise children when we don't even know who we are? No. If we can all sit down, Elder, if you sit down and think, when did I lose my identity? Everybody sitting here knows exactly when. 7 years, my love. 7 years is the last time you were honest to yourself. At 7 years is the last time you were true to yourself. Exactly. 7 years is the last time you were true to yourself. Because after 7 years, you were comparing yourself to others. Do you understand? And you are being programmed. Yeah, you start comparing yourself to the child next to you. You start wanting the attention of the teacher in front of you. You start wanting the attention of the neighbors around you. You start getting programmed now into what the society demands from you. Good and bad is shaped by what you receive, no longer by who you are.